So what are the best penny stocks to buy on October 7th, 2024? Well, number one recommendation is Duckhorn Portfolio. Stock symbol NAPA. It is up today 102% or $5.51, trading at $10.91. Well, now it's not exactly a penny stock, obviously, but it was on Friday. So, and since this morning, the stock already traded 31 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $1 billion. So I'm not sure what this company does, and based on the stock symbol NAPA, it could be anything. So, but the main thing is that this is a stock that was very thinly traded in the last 6 months, and it was basically kind of collapsing from $8 all the way to $5 without anybody really paying much attention. However, some news arrived today, and somehow, you know, the stock is super hot and everybody's trying to get into it and buy some shares. So obviously the stock is trading now at 6-month high, and it could be kind of risky to jump in the stock right now unless the news that are driving that stock are very substantial and very promising for the future of the company. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look at the stock, but pulling the trigger and buying the stock at such a high price could be kind of questionable. So, but in any case, take a look. The Duckhorn Portfolio, stock symbol NAPA, only $10.92 a share. Next one is Algorithm Holdings. Interesting name. Stock symbol RIME. It is up today 52% or 24 cents, trading at 70 cents per share. Since this morning, it already traded 133 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $10 million. So the interesting part about this company, Algorithm Holdings, is that this is a recent IPO. They just started to trade in the stock market on September 9th of this year, or basically a month ago. So they started to trade around 78 cents. Nobody really was buying these shares. Nobody really cares. So they collapsed from 78 cents to like 40 cents. So some kind of news arrived today, and suddenly the stock is, you know, super popular on Wall Street. 133 million shares being traded since this morning in the first 90 minutes kind of tells you that the stock is hot. So, and the question is, how hot is this stock to go even further and even higher from its current stock price? To figure out this, you need to check and see what kind of news are driving that stock and what this company actually does. But it sounds like, I mean, it could be some kind of AI play, artificial intelligence play, because as soon as you see the word algorithm, it usually deals with like artificial intelligence, software, and kind of business processes. But I might be wrong, but you need to check it out and see what's going on. But Algorithm Holdings, stock symbol RIME, only 70 cents a share. Next one is, oh, I talked about this company last week, Sober Safe, stock symbol SOBR. It is up today another 43% or $1.65, trading at $5.45. Since this morning, it already traded actually 220,000 shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $2 million. So I'm not sure what's going on with this company, but they produce those pops in stock price that, you know, are kind of short-lived, but you could still make some money on it. The question when you trade stocks like this is to estimate pretty accurately what is your upside potential, because if you are, buying at the very top at a very expensive price and there's very little room to grow, then it might be a very disappointing investment, which you should avoid to make. So but with Sober, I mean, even if you get into the stock right now at $5.45, the upside potential for the stock is $50. That's where you used to trade back in June 6th. So if you consider that, then you're getting the stock at pretty low price, basically 6-month low, and the upside potential is pretty high, so maybe it is worth the risk. But what I don't like is the volume. It's only 220,000 shares, which means that it's not a very popular stock on the market, and this kind of worries me. So, but take a look. Sober Safe, stock symbol SOBR, only $5.45 a share. Next one is LogiMark, stock symbol LGMK. It is up today 40% or 4 cents, trading only at 15 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded, listen to this, 160 million shares. And that's the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap for the company is like $2 million. It's super tiny. So what can I tell you about the company? 6 months ago, it used to trade at $1 a share. Then it collapsed all the way to 10 cents a share. While it was collapsing for the last 6 months, nobody was really trading it. Nobody was really paying attention. And obviously without, good buyer support, the stock price usually collapses. However, some kind of news arrived today, and the stock is suddenly super popular on the market, and everybody's trying to get a piece of it. 160 million shares kind of tells you about that. So, and the stock is pretty cheap. So even if you jump in right now at 15 cents a share with the upside potential of $1, I mean, you could be looking at 700% gain. So, but you need to take a look and check what's going on there and see how powerful this news are for LogiMark. So, but in any case, take a look and maybe put some money into it. LogiMark, stock symbol LGMK, only 15 cents a share. Next one is OneConnect Financial Technology. That's a long name for a company. Stock symbol OCFT. It is up today 32% or 99 cents, trading at $4.06. Since this morning, it already traded only 914,000 shares, less than a million. Market cap for the company is roughly $200 million. So, in terms of this company, it was a penny stock that was trading around $1.40 for the last, I would say, 6 months. However, something happened back in June, on June 4th, when the stock that was basically a silent sleeper started to show signs of life, where the volume started to pick up and the price started to gain, little by little. But guess what? From September 4th of this year, which basically was like a month ago, it went from like $1 to $4. So it went 400%, and it keeps going. So it established a very powerful, very bullish trend, and I'm not sure why the market is not very excited and why not everybody wants to jump on it. But if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there. So, OneConnect Financial Technology, stock symbol OCFT, only $4.06 a share. If you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website called PNNY.APP, and you will see the links to download my app for penny stocks called Penny Gems. So take a look, and the app actually covers about 2,000 penny stocks trading at around $5 or lower, and gives you a daily buy-sell recommendations about which stocks to buy. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading. Bye-bye now.